Here's some updates on repairs. This is an old Echo CS 345. Thing runs like a champ. Here's an old Echo CS 300. This one still needs to be worked on. Brand new pressure washer, doesn't work. Guy put it back together and didn't put any of the linkages back on. Wonder why it wouldn't start. Craftsman chainsaw, Poland pretty much. Doesn't run, needs top end rebuilt. Which is pretty much the cost of the saw. Honda trash pump, although it looks like a generic. Thing's been sitting for 4 years. Choke seized, everything seized. Engine fine and free. GT 5000, no carb. Carb is fucked. Rusted the pits. Not getting any gas because the float's seized, and I can't get the screw off there. And this thing's just trash. 250 bucks to replace. $79 rebuild kit. Ridiculous. Lift it up on some jack stands. This thing's awesome. Sits up high. Wish it was actually this high in real life. Fuel's really dirty. It's got some new stuff in there now. Running on the primary. We're gonna get a startup of this saw right here. I just cut down a neighbor's tree with it, and it works really freaking good. So let's see what you can do. Runs great, works great, pretty powerful. The old Echoes are the best. The new ones aren't shit. Get a Husqvarna or a Steel. The steering on this thing's still really jacked, even with the new drag link. The front axle's going to need replaced. The spindles are going to need to be replaced. Everything that steers this tractor needs to be replaced. So that's like another $300 to replace all that. So, yep, this is it. This thing's really nice. Works really freaking good too. And that's the updates on the repairs. Thanks for watching.